try upstairs? Or
We
no?
can. What's good?
Oh, sorry.
We're going upstairs, Jake.
What? Top top? Oh, what is it?
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, boy.
She wants it by the door.
In summer, look at the air conditioning.
Yeah. They're cold, aren't they? I need to go on these.
We'll see if there's any room.
How much capacity you got, driver?
Yeah,
Oh, you reckon I'll go and have a look? I'll go and have a look.
Warm in that lovely
Like and subscribe, that's what you need to say to that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a go at the last one.
I'm totally putting into the beginning going, what's going on, driver? I will sue you for that walk out. Oh.
You don't provide hot chocolate on board then?
definitely going to work next time.
What are we?
Upstairs, you are.
In a minute, I think. It's only early, look. We're only around the corner. We're fine. We're only on the pass. I need to get these to school. You cold?
A little.
Oh,
Even the old bus over there was a bit warmer on there.
what other buses go out then? All of them?
You got that red one over there, and then the one just here next to us. I don't know if there is any others going out.
Lovely. We're going. Here we go. New Year's Children's Party. Where's that then? What exchange?
Has been every list.
Oh, has it?
I think most of these adverts have been on it for a couple of years.
Oh yeah,
now.
Piggy with a Disco. I used to go to that. Oh, it was like 20 years ago then.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see it now. 75p. Oh my god.
If only.
How cheap is that?
There's one upstairs that says like the old night on this December 1987, the old Orange opens. First I'm like, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's an old advert. That's been on there for a couple of years now.
No, where is Santa? Is he back in there?
It's in the tram.
In the tram?
There's, when you walk in the museum,
Yeah.
from the back, there's
Yeah.
the orchestra on the left,
Yeah.
and then you've got your hot chocolate on the right, and then you go left towards that tea room.
Oh,
On the
right.
right there's a green tram.
Oh, that's fair.
That's where it's in.
I'm going to show you. Yeah. Come on, along. Now we're on the bus. Hi, darling. You alright? You having fun? Are you having fun? Yeah, you are too young for you. We're actually on an old-fashioned bus. Yeah. Oh, I will, darling. Well, Grandad's upstairs with Millie and Rover, but Ruby didn't want to go. We were sitting downstairs. Ruby, Freya said hi.
Hi.
Said hi, Freya. They all asked where you were, and I said, oh, because there was only 3 tickets for little ones. What do? Oh, Freya's got your Christmas present. Oh, she said thank you. You're lovely, aren't you? Is Mummy there? So that we're on an old-fashioned bus, now going for a journey. Hi, darling, you're right. We're actually on an old-fashioned bus, now going on a journey. No, we're on a bus. We're on a bus. Inside? No, she's fine, she's got to jump down. She's upstairs, but Dad's got a heater on her. That's all indoors, so she's fine. Then we're going to go back and see Sam, and then we're going to take her to Costa. We're not allowed to go when the bus is moving. It goes before. Yeah. They've enjoyed it anyway, they've laughed. Something different, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, so we're just going to get a croissant and maybe hot chocolate for more. Not yet, I don't know where we're going, we're actually on a journey somewhere. Alright. Love you, bye! Hi, you right, Mum? We're actually on a bus going for a journey. Yeah, they let you go for free. I know, but she's really struggled, bless her. She's sitting downstairs holding my hand. Yeah. She didn't want to go on it. She's alright though. We're sitting by the door. I have to lock them in, that's what it is. So Dad's took the little ones upstairs, but we're sitting by the door. She's holding my hand. Yeah, right, actually. Just change, innit? We're going to go and get hot chocolate and a croissant after. See Sam, we just paid to get the ticket. Yeah. Alright then, darling. Yeah, she is, yeah. That's a car. Yeah, we'll go back then. The round's ready to walk.